Hey guys, we're back here on our Chermside West project. I just wanted to give you a little heads up of what we're doing here at the moment. So the boys started yesterday doing all of our driveway prep, and we're replacing some of the concrete under the existing house. And what we found yesterday when we exposed the concrete is there is a heap of groundwater running through the bottom of this house. So when we pulled the concrete up, it was extremely wet, it was all muddy. Two of the steel posts were completely rusted out and basically ready to fall over. So there is a little variation there to our client. We're going to, while we're doing this, we're going to throw in 2 new steel posts. We've spoken to the owners about that this morning, met them on site, ran through everything so they know exactly what's happening. And now we're going to go into the prep work. So we're going to install a little bit more drainage because this groundwater is no good for the property sitting under the slab. What it does makes the ground very moist, very soggy and wet, and that's what causes subsidence and movement in the home. So we've repaired and fixed up and shaped all the ground levels around this house, and now all the groundwater is going to run around the house and not be soaking in under the ground. And now we're going to get rid of all that. We'll solve that problem. We'll fix up their foundations. We'll pour all this new concrete underneath. We'll put 2 new steel posts in, and this house will be awesome for the years to come.